All right, YouTube's messing with me today. I've tried 5 times. So can you guys do me a favor? If anyone jumps on, type one if you can hear me. I want to talk about how people are saving stupid amounts of money. But what's blowing me away is that a subscriber may have detonated a free refi, saving him around $500 a month. And I want to talk about that because I think people need to understand that even when you own a home, you may have fallen out of practice or forget how mortgage refis work. And what's really important is there's a lock-in period. A couple of weeks ago, I did some videos saying the rates were about to jump up. And I knew of this company that is giving insane deals on mortgages. And I still said with that, having a caveat going, hey, go and get multiple quotes because you want to always go with the best deal. Compare apples for apples. But refinance your mortgage right now if you're over 6.5%. Well, somebody reached out to this company, and I'm hearing these stories of people saving insane amounts of money. A lot of them are actually getting free refis. Check this out. There's a loan officer named Sean, and he said, I've got this deal where a subscriber locked in a rate. The subscriber's payment currently, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, were over $3,000, like almost $3,100 total. And they had a higher interest rate. And the loan officer said, look, we can, based on your credit score, we can give you a free refi right now. And what we'll do is we're going to also credit you back $1,000 based on that person's information, the loan, the size, and all that stuff. They said, hey, we'll even give you a credit back for some incidentals. So this is free. It's not going to cost you anything. And your new payment, let me get this right, is going to be $2,594, essentially saving them almost $500 a month like that for free. Well, 2 weeks goes by and the person hadn't given the loan officer all of their information, pay stubs, bills, all the stuff that a loan officer needs to be able to submit it to the underwriter. And they're emailing like, hey, you're going to lose this. We need to get this done fast because the rate lock was going to go away in about, what I want to say, 10 days. And you lose that rate, and rates have gone up pretty significantly. And the person gets upset and goes, you can't rush me. You can't rush me. And there is no rushing. That's actually how it works. You can only lock in your rate for so much time. And I'll throw a link down below. If you have an interest rate over 6.5%, I highly suggest you go get multiple quotes, go and check this company. They've got a rate calculator and all this really cool stuff. Because you could be saving $500 or more, depending on your situation, and it not cost you anything. And what blows me away is that right now, people need extra money more than ever right now to just get by, let alone pay off credit card debt, pay off your vehicle, don't get back in that rat race, and then save that money or stack it on top of your mortgage and get that paid off faster. This is one of those times in life where we see a cycle where a lot of people bought homes within the last couple of years, and they're paying insane mortgage rates, or worse yet, maybe used. I'm already starting to hear of people that are looking into refinancing their hard money loans where they're paying like 9, 10, even 12% interest. They're going to be saving well over $1,000 a month just to be able to refinance this. And I just filmed a course yesterday, and one of the lessons, and I'll throw out, if you guys could do me a favor right now, if you could hear me, if you type one, if you guys all type one, it should be able to pop up because YouTube's been messing with me today. I filmed a course where we showed a rate schedule for a 30-year fixed. And let's say the par rate was at 6% even. Just roll with me here. So 6%. And we taught a lesson on why you'd want to walk in if you're buying a new home and go, hey, I'd be up for taking a 6.5% rate on that 30-year fixed because I'd like you to pay my closing costs for me. And there are loan products out there that are amazing where the lender will go, yeah, if you're willing to take a higher rate, your payment's going to be about $100 more a month. We'll pay off $6,500 of your closing costs. So here you save $6,500 on closing costs. You take an additional $100 in the payment, and then you go, within a year, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refinance that because there's no you ask for no prepayment penalty, and you say, I'm going to turn around, I'm going to refinance it. And now that's $6,500 that you saved buying your first house. It's things like that that most people don't understand how to do or how to structure a mortgage deal. And they end up spending thousands and thousands of dollars that they lose forever because you never get that money back. Those are closing costs. Those are points, discount points, things like that. And those are the things that I want to teach people. So if you have a high rate, click the link down below. I think you're gonna be really happy with it. But yeah, this is to the gentleman that is not given unless you found a better deal, which I hope you did. I'd be surprised if you did, but if you did, rad, just let the loan officer know, hey, I found a better deal. And the loan officer will be like, sweet. But it's like, you've got 10 days left to keep that rate lock, save your $500 a month and do it for free. And I think people just don't do it because they don't understand how it works. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. The Real Estate Ninja is out.